When winter finally starts to fade, your bays begin to tell the story of the roads your customers just survived. Deep freezes, slush, potholes, and pressure swings all leave clues behind on their tires, and those clues matter when you're trying to keep drivers safe heading into spring. Let's dive into what you can do to help next. Winter temperature drops can leave tires feeling a bit, well, deflated, in a state several PSI below where they should be. You've seen it all winter, underinflated tires running soft, wearing the shoulders, and triggering unnecessary TPMS lights. When these vehicles roll into your shop in March, it's the perfect time to reset pressures, check for slow leaks, and remind customers that seasonal swings affect performance long after the cold snap ends. In fact, it's not a bad idea to promote that now is the time to do this on your social media pages. Offer free air in your shop. Also, be ready for the dreaded pothole season alignment issues that every driver just loves. Winter roads are brutal. Every deep pothole or freeze-thaw crack can knock a suspension out of spec. This is the time when customers might tell you their vehicle is pulling to one side or they have to drive with a crooked steering wheel. Spring is when these symptoms show up most clearly. Bringing alignment checks into every seasonal inspection helps prevent vibration complaints and comebacks. Speaking of cold weather symptoms, now is a good time to look for tire cracking and chipping, especially for drivers whose tires are already approaching end of life. Anything under 4/32 of an inch of tread may struggle through wet spring roads. March is the moment to show customers what winter took out of their tires and recommend the right next step: rotate, replace, or monitor closely. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.